All right, today's scrap load, some copper, some wire, some goodies here, and a load of tin. So what do you think this one's gonna pay out to be? Might be a little interesting to see. That water heater is really heavy, but we should see. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see what it comes out to be. All right, let's see what we weigh. We weigh 9,740. So there's almost 3,000 pounds of tin on the truck. That should be pretty good. Should be 250, 300 bucks. We'll make our real money on the copper though. All right, so our weight leaving with dumping the tin is 72. So we had 3,000, like 200 and something pounds. So a little over 3,000 pounds on the trailer. So that should pay decently. Now I'm gonna go across into the metal building and bring my copper, got a bucket of brass and some other stuff. So we'll see what that pays out to be. Stay tuned to the end and you'll see my payout for the day. So I just wanted to do a quick recap. The load of tin I had on was, you can't really see it, 2,450 pounds, which was $232. And then all the copper, brass, and all that stuff that I had came out to $621. So that's $850 so far today. And I have another load of tin in the back of my truck, so we'll see what that comes out to be. Probably another 200, 225 bucks, something like that. So it'll be $1,000 day again. As you can see, we're waiting at the scrap yard. Kind of busy today, but all right, we'll let you know what it is. All right, so this second load of tin is weighing in at 88.20, it looks like. So we'll see what that comes out to be. All right, so my weight out was 69.20. So I don't remember what it was in, but I'll find out at the end. Okay, so here's the slip from that last load of tin. It was 1,980 pounds, $187. So it makes my grand total for the day $1,030 without fuel. So I got to put $45, $50 in fuel in. So, I mean, let's be real here. I'm gonna flip. Let's be real here. If you're not out here doing scrap metal, like, that's fine. But, you know, I'm telling you right now, why work for somebody when you can hustle and make all the money for yourself? Like, I mean, and I'm not trying to sound greedy or nothing, but like, I make between $500 and $1,000 a day some days. Some days I only make $150, $200, whatever. It might take a day or two to pick stuff up and then go back out. But like I said, you know, don't hate me because I make money. Like, there's so many people out there that are hating on me lately, and people in the comments, I had to delete comments because people were just so brutal. And like, I don't care. I'm going to keep posting these videos, and if you like them, you like them. If you don't look at it. Don't be jelly. Don't, you know, oh, you probably steal the stuff. No, I have multiple accounts, and I have a lot of friends, and I have a lot of people who use me. So, like I said, ain't a lot of people out here legally make $1,000 a day. So, don't hate, man. I'll see you guys later. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I got another video coming next couple days on using my trailer for other than scrap to make money. So I'm going to do a video how to make money with your trailer. You know what I mean? You know, that's not scrap related. I mean, if you have a trailer or a dump trailer, it's just money in your pocket, man. You could do garbage clean outs and stuff, but that's for another video. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later, man. And remember, always be closing, always be hustling, man. I'll see you guys later. Oh, beautiful day.